Hi, I'm Miss Shilcock.
And I'm Hunter.
And today Hunter's going to teach me to make
Squishy soap.
Squishy soap. Hunter, what's squishy soap?
Squishy soap is a kind of slime-like putty. It's fun to play with, but you can wash your hands with it.
Here's some we made earlier. And we're going to make some from scratch for you now. So Hunter, what ingredients do I need to make squishy soap?
Well, you need half a cup of corn flour.
So corn flour. I've actually measured out half a cup already. Here it is.
You need 3 tablespoons of oil. Tablespoon is the big spoon.
Okay, so we're just using ordinary vegetable oil, is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
But we could use olive oil, we could use sunflower oil. So that's 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
And you need 6 tablespoons of liquid soap.
Okay, we haven't got any liquid soap, so we're just going to use
washing up liquid.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so that's 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's quite a lot of soap. Okay. Is that everything?
If you have any, you can add some food colouring, but only a tiny bit, just to give your soap a bit more colour.
Okay, we've got a bit of red. That's going to turn our soap a nice pink colour, I hope. Just a tiny bit. Okay. So shall I mix this with the spoon?
Yep, mix it with the spoon. Then when it gets too hard, just start mixing it with your hands.
I'm just going to move this camera so you can see this. So here we go. While I'm mixing this, I just want to say, make sure you ask a grown-up before you use anything in the kitchen, or before you make any mess in the kitchen, or take anything from the cupboards, because I wouldn't want you to get in any trouble. Okay, so I'm going to start mixing this with my hands now, I think. Let's see how it feels. So, what should it feel like, Hunter?
It should feel quite soft and squishy. If it's a bit too wet, add some more corn flour. And if it's a bit too hard, then add some more soap or washing up liquid.
This feels perfect, actually. It feels good. It's all coming together. I'm just going to keep mixing this for another minute. Do you know any jokes?
What do you call a one-eyed dinosaur?
I don't know what you call the one-eyed dinosaur.
A Dilophosaurus.
That's a good joke. Okay, so this has all come together. It's come out of the bowl. I'm going to put it on the table. And you can see now it's made a lovely kind of soft, squishy, sort of light putty, like something you might buy in the shops to play with. So you can play with this. You can make it into shapes, make it into animals, dinosaurs.
Can I feel?
Yeah, do you want to have a feel? See if that feels right?
That feels perfect.
Yeah, it feels good. It's really nice to play with. If I want to keep this, how should I keep it so it doesn't dry out?
Keep it in a Tupperware box, like a airtight box, or a margarine tub. If you don't have one.
But we're going to show you the other use we can have for squishy soap, which is obviously very important at the minute, which is to keep our hands clean. So you'd normally do this under running water. We're going to show you just in a bowl of water. So to wash your hands, we're just going to take a small piece. We don't need the whole thing.
Put it into any shape you like.
Yeah, I'm going to make mine into a little sausage.
Make mine into a nice meatball.
Like that. Okay. And it works just like ordinary soap. Hunter, how do we know how long to wash our hands for?
Sing happy birthday twice.
Okay, off you go. So 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, that's good. That really works, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Just like real soap. It's really, really frothy. You just get a towel. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Right, just dry your hands. So, I'm just going to put this up here. Just one more time, can you show us the ingredients, Hunter?
You need 1/2 cup of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, 6 tablespoons of washing up liquid or liquid soap, and if you have any, 1/2 cup of food colouring.
Good. And don't forget to ask an adult before you use anything in the kitchen or make a lot of mess. Alright, if you try this at home, I hope you have fun, and good luck. Goodbye. Bye.